for the main event. Two of the world's finest boxers are about to clash. In the blue corner, Ivan Drago. In the red corner, Addonis Hollywood Creed. Ladies and gentlemen, the fight is about to begin.
Let's keep this above the belt and inside the ring. Ready? The fight starts as soon as you touch gloves. Your fight, kid.
Don't let up.
Flip and move, Donnie.
Wait for an opening.
Delivering an absolutely devastating blow to his opponent.
You don't gotta absorb all those hits, kid.
Keep landing hits like that. I ain't letting him hit me.
1, 2, 3.
Hell yeah. Don't let.
Finish it, Donnie. Keep moving.
Keep landing hits like that.
Don't let him do that defense, kid. Don't just stand there, kid. Weak.
Creed doesn't get his fist up.
Creed can't keep going like this without taking a break.
1, 2. Now he's really. Just like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's how you do it, Donnie. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Wait for an opening.
Wait till you swing. Duck or dodge. Surprise you. Till he attacks the guard. Bait him into a big swing.
We're heading into the next round, and Creed has a strong lead.
Hell yeah.
That's a different opening. Wait until he swings. Duck or dodge. Surprise you. Those love taps ain't gonna cut it. Get him! 1, 2, 3.
Don't let up.
Creed isn't letting anything
Creed can't get those fists up.
Keep blocking.
Give him some distance, kid. Get your stamina back. Good defense, Donnie. Throwing punches like that, kid. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.